We're going to explain how to copy text from the command prompt. There are several ways to do this, depending on what you're copying and where you want to paste it. Using the right-click menu. This is the simplest method for most situations. Select the text you want to copy in the command prompt window using your mouse. Right-click on the selected text, and you'll see a context menu appear. Choose Copy. Then you can open another application, like a text editor or web browser, and paste the text using the right-click menu's Paste option, or by pressing Ctrl+V. This works for output from commands as well as text you've typed directly into the prompt. Using the keyboard shortcut. A faster alternative is to use keyboard shortcuts. Select the text you want to copy using your mouse, or by holding down Shift and using the arrow keys to navigate. Once selected, press Ctrl+C or CMD+C on a Mac. Then go to where you want to paste the text and press Ctrl+V or CMD+V on a Mac. This is very efficient for quickly copying command output or text you've already typed. 3. Copying from a command's output. Many commands produce a large amount of text output. If you're trying to copy all of this output, it might be easier than manually selecting it all. Some commands support redirecting their output to a file. For example, if you ran dir output txt, all of the output of the dir command would be saved to a file named output txt. You can then open that file in any text editor to copy the contents. This is particularly useful for long lists of files or complex system information, which are difficult to select and copy manually. 4. Copying from scrolling output. If the command output scrolls past the visible screen area, you might need to adjust the command prompt window's buffer size to allow for more scrolling, or use a method mentioned above, redirecting to a file, to capture all output. For example, within the command prompt properties, you might change the screen buffer size to increase the amount of text the window can store. Then repeat the copy method you prefer. 5. Handling special characters. Some commands produce output containing special characters that might not paste correctly into all applications. If you encounter problems, try using a text editor that supports Unicode or UTF-8 encoding. This is less common, but important to note if you're working with non-standard character sets. Remember to choose the method that best suits your needs. For small amounts of text, the right-click menu or keyboard shortcuts are easiest. For large outputs, redirecting to a file is generally more efficient. Understanding these methods allows you to efficiently manage text within the command prompt.